Hi, my name is Attilio. I'm the video editor here at Ideological, and usually I'm on the other side of the camera, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to talk to you about something very important to us, how to properly pack and send in your machines to us at Ideological. Sometimes, for one reason or another, your computer issues just can't be resolved through remote assistance. If that happens, your Ideological technician might need you to send in your machine for repair. In order to fix the hardware, we first have to make sure that it shows up to us in one piece, and usually that's not a problem, but sometimes things can just happen in transit and your hardware will get knocked around and broken. If you want to cut down on that risk, the best way to do that is to make sure it's packed properly, and believe it or not, there is a right and wrong way to pack your stuff before you send it to us. When you're sending in your computer, remember to include the machine's power cord. Unplug any peripherals and make sure that the disk drive is empty. You don't need to send in any other parts like the keyboard or mouse unless it's specifically mentioned by your technician. You will, however, need a box, bubble wrap, packing paper, and packing tape. When you're packing the hardware, it's important to ensure that it's well protected. The best practice would be to use the original box that the equipment came in with the associated padding. If you don't have the original box, just find a box that will fit the equipment plus any extra padding that you need to make sure that it's safe. Just as an example, let's say you have to send in a laptop. First, you need to line the bottom of the box with packing paper. Before you put your computer in the box, wrap it in bubble wrap. Once it's completely wrapped and the wrap is secure, put it in the box and then fill the rest of the empty space in the box with packing paper. Next, wrap the power cable and put it in the box along with the laptop. Fill out any remaining space with packing paper, and then make sure that the box is taped and sealed shut. Label the box with our office address and be sure to include your return address and the associated ticket number. Once we get the hardware, we'll let you know by updating the associated ticket. Our dispatcher will schedule your technician to work on your machine and give you an estimate as to how long it'll take for that machine to be fixed. Shipment to and from the office isn't covered under part of the service agreement, so the choice of courier is up to you. And when it's time for us to send the machine back, we'll get in contact with you to see what courier you want to use, or if you want to come in and pick the machine up yourself. So if you have any questions about what to send in or when, or how the process works, just send us an email or give us a call, and we'll be here to give you whatever information you need.